Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Lootcrate.
Yay!
We're going to post these out of order. That's the order I wanted them to be posted in.
Yeah.
Because I don't want you seeing this costume. Today is Thursday. I don't want you seeing this costume until
You've seen the other ones.
Friday, until you've seen my other one, because I was going to have you guys guess what I was going to be. But it's a raccoon. Raccoon. I'm not wearing the mask.
She's a cute raccoon. Okay.
I do have a tail. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have a tail. So
Lootcrate presents a cavalcade of cursed creatures. Hopefully I'm saying that right. We're always tired. We're just going to say we're both always tired. Just always. All day. Every day. All day. No, okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out, I don't even know because I'm not looking at it. It is something. Let me see. What the heck?
It makes me think of Thanos, but I don't know if that's like... I don't know. We'll figure out who this is because I think my nephew knows, and we'll let you guys know as soon as we know.
Titans. I'm like, I don't know, but I'll keep showing it. Cool looking shirt. I don't know. We'll find out in a moment. I guess when we look at the card.
I like the packaging.
Oh, gremlins! These are mine.
Cute.
I'm not even showing them close enough. These are mine. I'm gonna put them on right now. No.
Super cute. Super cute.
Gremlins. Okay. Evil Dead 2, Henrietta.
And can you guys tell me what costume you like best, by the way? Like, tell me what costume you like best after you've seen like all my 8 costumes. If you see all 8 costumes, or however many I have.
Adult collectible, not a toy.
You can still play with it. Because you said you play with them as long as they're not that one.
We open them.
Yeah.
I mean, so I could open it, but. What?
Oh, this is. Oh. Too bad Ben's probably don't want that.
That's the name of my husband, just in case no one knew that. So this is a keychain for American Horror
maybe you can
Story.
hide it and like tell me you didn't, you know. You can just.
Maybe
I
I
love
want
American
it.
Horror. Do you watch that show?
Does it matter?
I think it should matter.
And it says on the back, please service room. Okay. And then, is this the last thing?
The box is cute
it's
though.
It's a little pen is a Ouija board little pen.
Hashtag loot
thing.
pens. That's what it says.
I mean, it's a little thing. It's not the board itself. What's it called? The little thing that you move around on the board, right?
I know, I want to call it a cursor, but I don't know what the heck the thing is called. But
Okay.
it's cute though.
Now the little booklet, which was like on the very bottom.
Is it always on the bottom, or am I wrong?
I don't know.
I feel like it's always in a weird spot.
So Attack on Titan t-shirt. In Attack on Titan, humanity is cursed to be hunted down and devoured by a mysterious race of giants. Anyway, that's the only one that I was like
That would have been
questioning.
cute to open up, but
Is this too short of a video? Is it possible that this is too short? Just kidding. But anyway, the box looks like...
the box is cute. I feel like you could take
definitely.
scissors and cut out that mask. I just thought that's kind of cool.
Yeah. So
Like, it gives you a little craft to do. So awesome. That's a good job, Lootcrate. How much is this one? Like 30?
oh gosh, I don't even know.
Something. If we find out, we'll let you guys know. But I think
I want to say it's around 30. I don't know.
That's it for this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up for keeping it short, even though we talk over each other and all that stuff that we love to do. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 100 subscribers. And let me know if you're digging the raccoon, if I look too much like a cat or a bear. I did take off my mask. That would make me look more like a raccoon. So that was it for this one. We'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.